In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google AdSense account to your Wix website. We're really excited to get started because this process can help you start monetizing your site and maximize your earnings by displaying targeted ads directly on your site. So let's walk through each step together to ensure a smooth integration. First things first, we need to access the Wix dashboard. Begin by logging into your Wix account. Once you're on the main page, you should see your dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your Wix website. From here, you can manage your site, customize its design, and most importantly, for today's tutorial, manage your marketing integrations. Next, look for the section labeled Marketing Integrations. This is a crucial component of your dashboard because it allows you to connect various marketing tools and platforms to your site. These integrations can help you expand your site's functionality and, in turn, your audience. To find it, you might have to scroll through some of your other options, but don't worry, once you see it, click to enter the page. Now, within the marketing integrations area, our focus is on Google AdSense. This is a reliable platform that allows you to display ads that are tailored to your audience and site content. It's a powerful tool for monetization, which, when used effectively, can lead to increased revenue from your website. Once you locate Google AdSense on the list of available integrations, select it. After selecting Google AdSense, you will be prompted to connect your account. This step requires you to have an active Google AdSense account, so if you haven't already set this up, you should consider doing so before connecting it with Wix. Assuming you have an account ready, proceed to the Connect Account option. Clicking this will initiate the process of linking your Google AdSense account with your Wix site. You'll be redirected to a Google AdSense login page. Here, you simply need to enter your Google login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password for the account you wish to connect. Once logged in, you might be asked to grant Wix permission to access your AdSense account. It's important to allow this access, as it's the only way Wix can manage ads on your behalf. Once permission is granted, you will be directed back to your Wix dashboard. And that's basically it. You've successfully connected your Google AdSense account to your Wix site. Going forward, you can customize the appearance and placement of ads through your Wix dashboard to better align with your website's look and feel. And there you have it. You are now ready to start utilizing Google AdSense to monetize your Wix website. Connecting these two platforms is a critical step in turning your passion into profit, and I hope you found this walkthrough easy to follow. Thank you for joining me and happy monetizing.